We'll guide you through how to fix Voicemod not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.
First, let's check your Windows sound settings because most of the voice mod issues are caused by incorrect microphone configuration. First, just go to the settings on your bottom right and click on sounds. Just click on this icon and click on more volume settings. You will be landed in classic sound control panel. Once the window appear, scroll down and click on more sound settings. From here, you just want to go to recording, and here you need to make sure the correct microphone is selected. Double click on the microphone that you actually use, and as I actually use my voice mod microphone, or sometimes I use my own microphone, then let's say I want to use my voice mod microphone, just double click on it, then go to levels and make sure the sound is amplified all the way to 100. Next, go to advanced tab and temporarily disable any audio enhancements if it is available in your device, and then click on apply and then click on OK. Also, right click on your microphone that you use, and if it is not enabled, just click on enable. If your microphone is already enabled, you can see green bars like so when I'm speaking, which means Windows is detecting your voice correctly. If it's not moving, then there may be a hardware issue or driver problem that you need to fix first. Once your microphone is confirmed working in the Windows, open voice mod. Go to the settings inside the voice mod on your left hand side and make sure your real microphone is selected as your input device. Just click on drop down under input and make sure your real microphone that you use is selected. Now here is something very important. Inside your game or apps, you should not select your real microphone. Instead, you must select voice mod virtual microphone as the input device. That's how the effect gets applied. Next, if you are using soundboard feature, just go to your sounds and just add any keybind. Just click on add keybind and press Ctrl on the keyboard and press any key. Let's say, for example, 1. So now when I press Ctrl and 1 on my keyboard, the sound should appear like so. The sound should now play through your voice mod microphone. To test everything, minimize voice mod. Just don't never close your voice mod. Just minimize it and let's open voice recorder app. And from the microphone, make sure your voice mod is selected. And once voice mod is selected, I will just click on recording just for the sake of tutorial. And I will press Ctrl 1. And as you can see, the sound has been successfully applied. As you just saw the graph moving, it confirms that our sound effect has also been applied and recorded. If both your voice and soundboard are being captured, voice mod is working correctly. If it works in voice recorder but not in a game, then the issue is inside the game settings. For example, in game like Roblox or Valorant, open the in-game settings and go to audio or voice settings, and under input device, select voice mod microphone and not your physical mic. If the game was already open before you installed or configured voice mod, close the game completely and reopen it. Some games only detect microphone when they first launch. Also, make sure voice mod is running in the background. If you close the app completely, the virtual microphone will stop working. So to quickly recap, first check that your real microphone works in Windows. Second, select your real mic inside voice mod settings. Third, select voice mod virtual microphone inside your game or app. And finally, test everything using voice recorder before jumping into a game. Follow these steps carefully and your voice mod should start working without any issues. If you found this helpful, then please consider subscribing and liking in the video, and I'll see you in the next one.